Hello everyone. Welcome back to online class from LPM Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am Jana Mirza. This is your assistant subject teacher. I hope you all good and healthy at your home. So students, you know very well about neighborhood because I have already explained about neighborhood in my previous video. So today I will remind you again about neighborhood because today we will discuss on the word meaning. Discuss on the difficult word meaning. Okay. And also you will complete your CW copy by the help of this video. Okay. So everyone come to the page number 28. Okay. Come to the page number 28. What you mean by landmarks? Students, I will remind you again about neighborhood. A neighborhood is the area surrounding our house. People who live in our neighborhood are our neighborhood. Okay. A neighborhood usually has a market, a park, a post office, a hospital, a pharmacy, a fire station, a police station, a school and a bank, also ATM booth. ATM booth is front of a bank. Okay. I have already explained about hospital, what are importance of hospital, post office, pharmacy, fire station, a police station, a school and bank, also ATM. Okay. So students, now we have to come discuss for word meaning. Okay. First is landmarks. Landmarks, what you mean by landmarks? Important places in a neighborhood. Landmark is a important place in our neighborhood. Okay. So students, next is neighborhood. Neighborhood means the area surrounding our house. The area surrounding our house. I have already taught about neighborhood, what is neighborhood and what are importance of our neighborhood. Okay. So what you mean by neighborhood? The area surrounding our house. Okay. That is called neighborhood. Now the next is neighbor. neighbor. Okay, a person living in the neighborhood, that is called neighbor. Okay, what you mean by neighbor? I have already taught about neighbor. Okay, and what means neighbor? So students, neighbor means a person living in the neighborhood, that is called neighbor. Okay, which person live in the neighborhood, that is called neighbor. Okay, now the next is grocery. Grocery, you know very well, that is shopkeeper. Okay, uncooked food. Grocery means uncooked food like rice, pulses, spices, oil, etc. Okay, and also other many things sells on the grocery. Okay, now the next is ambulance. Sorry, stationery. Okay, stationery, from where people purchase paper, pen, pencil, and other materials used for writing, that is called stationery. Okay, people purchase from stationery like that, paper, pen, pencil, and other materials used for writing, that is called stationery. Okay, now stationery is also situated in market. Okay, now ambulance, you know very well. Now the next is ambulance. What you mean by ambulance? Ambulance is a very important place in our life. Okay, in our neighborhood. Okay, a vehicle that takes sick people to the hospital in an emergency. An ambulance is used for in an emergency case. Okay, when the sick people, when the any people highly sick, then ambulance takes sick people to the hospital in an emergency. Okay, now the next is pharmacy. Now the next is pharmacy. You know very well what is pharmacy, what you mean by pharmacy. Pharmacy, a shop that sells medicines. Okay, pharmacy, you can say in another word, medical store. Okay, pharmacy is also situated. Pharmacy is also situated in front of hospital. Okay, because many peoples purchase the medicines from the pharmacy. Okay, now the next is hose. Okay, a pipe used for pouring water. Hose means a pipe used for pouring water. Okay, so students, everyone, write and learn word meaning of chapter 5. Who has not completed word meaning of chapter 5, then you will complete chapter 5. Okay, that is word meaning. Okay, word meaning has so everyone complete the word meaning in your CW copy of chapter 5. Okay, who has not completed word meaning of chapter 5, that everyone complete the word meaning of chapter 1 in your CW copy. Okay, that is given, and also given PDF. Okay, PDF, that is study material. Okay, so everyone you can write and also complete by the help of PDF. Okay, and also by the help of video. Okay, now tomorrow we will study on the exercises. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, take care.